Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the battery on the Xiaomi Redmi Note 10 mobile phone. To start, we need to have the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn on the phone and take out the SIM tray and then the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, it needs to heat gently around the back cover edges until the pasted adhesive becomes soft. For this, we are using a heat gun. Carefully work around on the edges, and once you feel the heating is enough, use a suction cup to lift the back cover. In between, insert a plastic car pry tool and gently cut the adhesive. Alternatively, you can use a heat pad or hair dryer. Take out the back cover and take out the camera lens frame by undoing screws. Undo 4 screws and lift the camera lens cover using a pry tool. Next, take out the mid frame by undoing 13 screws from the top and bottom sections. And then, using a plastic car pry tool, create an opening to separate the back cover frame. Be gentle and work around on the edges to disengage the plastic clips. While you are taking out the frame, be gentle, the fingerprint flex is attached to the mid frame. Disconnect the flex cable to release the mid frame from the body, and also from the right hand side, disconnect the battery plug. Next, take out the main ribbon flex by disconnecting from both ends. Next, take out the not working battery by loosening and extracting adhesives. First, loosen both adhesive tabs on top, and then gently, using your fingers or tweezer, pull out the adhesive strips. Next, take out the not working battery and place a new battery on the body with adhesive. Next, place the main flex and connect it by both ends. Next, connect the fingerprint and battery plug, and then secure the mid frame by adding 13 screws and the SIM tray. Before installing the main back cover, make sure it has enough glue on it. If not, use B7000 glue on your double-sided back cover adhesive. Finally, we are adding binding clips to tighten the back cover with the body. If not, you can use some rubber bands and leave them for some time. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide, and let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.